So we're going to take a look at the Flexispot. This is the C5 Ergonomic Standard Office Chair. Yeah, this thing is absolutely fantastic, and it's one of the most popular chairs around. Now, it is available in black and gray. I personally like the black, but that gray is really stylish. Both are great at the fact that they don't show a lot of dirt and wear, and they're made of a breathable mesh fabric. Now, one of the most important features to this chair is that back and lumbar support. It goes up, down, forward, and backward with an easy adjustment to make sure that you're getting comfort and convenience. This thing is great for HOURS, hours of sitting. Now, on top of that, it's got that recline adjustment, 95 to 115 degrees with two locking positions. Not many chairs will have two locking positions, and it will support up to 300 pounds. Now, when we look around this chair, one of the other aspects that I love so much is that high resilience foam. Yeah, that foam is really fantastic in terms of long-term wear. This will not wear out quickly. And yeah, they just do a great job giving you a high quality foam that's going to feel really good on your backside. The adjustable headrest also, not only is it stain resistant, not only is it a nice mesh breathable fabric, but it's got 45-degree adjustment and up and down by 3.54 inches. Yeah, that's a beautiful adjustable headrest. So whether you're a shorter individual or a taller individual, this is absolutely perfect for all adjustments. Now, those large chair legs give superior stability to where you don't have to worry about falling over. And it is a very solid, strong material, anti-scuff, and those casters, those wheels, are going to be perfect for rolling around your floors and not leaving damage to the floors. The multi-function armrest will go up, down, and the gray goes up, down, forward, and back, and an angle as well. So a incredible variety of ways that you can rest your arms to meet your comfort standards to your unique sitting position. If you got a higher desk, you can move it up, and I like taking those armrests, putting them all the way down so I can slide it under my desk when not in use. Having a nice low position means that this thing will take up less space in your house, and that is a real advantage for all of us. So the other thing I have to tell you is that this is an incredible company, a preferred company and an elite brand. All of my adjustable desks and chairs are Flexispot in my office and in my work area. Why? Because they're stable. The stability on these products is second to none. The five casters on the bottom makes this a stable device, and this supports a heavy amount of weight. Now, looking at it from the top down, I love the fact that this has a breathable fabric, stain resistant, easy to wipe down, and a variety of colors. That headrest is perfect and comfortable no matter how you prefer to hold your head and how tall you are. That back doesn't have any uncomfortable like metal support or plastic support in the back that's going to, be uncomfortable for you. If you've got back and neck problems, you know what I'm talking about. The adjustments on the arms make it perfect no matter what height and how you want to rest your arms. And that high density foam hits all the parts, including all the way up your leg to where you don't have to worry about any pressure points forming. The unique adjustment on those arms, also fantastic and something you can come to expect from the best office brand around. So folks, if you're looking for a fantastic product, one that's high quality, reliable, responsible, perfect for the office, home, or gaming, you're going to be able to put some hours in this. Great foam, great mesh, backed by the company, significant backing. And yeah, I love that locking into different positions. All right, folks. The other thing I gotta tell you is this comes practically assembled, easy to set up just in a matter of minutes. So you're not going to be spending a lot of time on that. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. This is a fantastic chair. Don't you dare miss it. Go pick one up. Goodbye, my friends.